Congratulations on choosing to reduce your losses using the ShockWatch monitoring program. The purpose of this short video is to demonstrate how to properly mount a ShockWatch product to ensure an accurate monitoring program. Every time your product is handled, there is a risk of damage due to impact. Welcome to the world of ShockWatch. In general terms, there are two types of ShockWatches: clips, which are adhered to the product itself, and labels, which adhere to the outside carton of your shipment. Each product uses the same patented technology. However, their use will reveal different information. By placing a ShockWatch clip directly onto the product, you ensure that it is handled correctly even without its protective packaging. To apply the clip, simply peel the release liner off the back, place it on a horizontal or vertical surface, and make sure it's on a rigid, non-flexible part of the product near the most sensitive parts. From the assembly line to the end user, if at any time the product is dropped, the ShockWatch will turn red, alerting both you and the customer that the product may be damaged. The ShockWatch label is used to not only monitor for abusive handling in transit, but to deter mishandling from ever occurring. What's key? Selection of label sensitivity, label placement, and program communication. Since you've already selected your ShockWatch sensitivity, the next step is label placement. The type of label you purchased will determine the placement for the label. Two good rules of thumb for label placement are to always place the label as close to the right edge of the shipment as possible. This will ensure accurate impact level monitoring. Secondly, the heavier the shipment, the lower you should mount the label. There are two things to remember to accurately mount a ShockWatch label. Never place the label in the middle of the box, and never adhere the label to a flexible surface such as shrink wrap or strapping tape. Instead, place the label underneath the wrapping material on the crate itself. The L30 or green label should be placed on the upper right-hand corner of the box near the packing slip. The L35 or orange label should be placed on the upper right corner of the box near the packing slip. The L47 or red label should be placed on the upper right corner unless on a palletized shipment. If palletized, place the label 24 inches from the bottom of the pallet. The L55 or purple label should be placed on the upper corner unless palletized. If palletized, place the label 12 to 24 inches from the bottom of the pallet. The L65 or yellow label should be placed 12 to 24 inches from the bottom of the pallet. For shipments where the length is twice the width, use two labels placed cross-diagonally from each other. This will ensure that the shipment is monitored on the full weight and mass of the container. For heavier shipments, you may be using a product called the MAG 2000. As an extension of the ShockWatch program, the MAG 2000 will not only detect excessive impacts, but is resettable and will indicate the direction of impact as well. Multiple options are available to attach a MAG 2000 to a shipment. You can use a factory-supplied adhesive. You can tap 4 screw holes and attach the MAG unit directly to your shipment, or use the mounting bracket to provide the ability to change out MAG sensitivities for multiple-use containers. Here is a quick chart to aid you in deciding where to mount your indicators. One thing to note is that this table should be used as a guide and not as the final decision on placement. If you are in question about placement, contact your local ShockWatch representative. You have probably noticed that both the ShockWatch and MAG 2000 products have been shown with an additional companion label. As an essential part of the ShockWatch education program, this label further increases the visibility of your impact monitor and gives important information to the consignee regarding procedures to follow if the shipment is received with the indicator activated. When using a companion label with a ShockWatch, apply the companion label first, then the ShockWatch label. When using a companion label with a Mag 2000, attach the Mag 2000 first, then remove the center of the companion label and adhere over the mag unit. In addition to impact, you may be concerned with tilt monitoring. The Tiltwatch product line has been designed to address tilt-sensitive equipment. To activate a Tiltwatch, simply peel the release liner from the back of the unit and place on the lower right or left corner of your shipment. The Tiltwatch Plus is activated in the same manner. Both the Tiltwatch and Tiltwatch Plus can be ordered with companion labels. However, the Tiltwatch Plus companion label has one additional note. Because the Plus unit can indicate the exact angle of tilt, you should mark on the companion label exactly how many degrees you do not want to have the shipment tilted. This will alert the receiver if the shipment has been tipped past your product's specified level. In addition to companion labels, we have developed a number of tools to aid you in running your program. Alert stickers are included free in every order to be placed on your bill of lading to make carriers aware of monitored shipments. Reference materials and program literature are also available to help you design a custom ShockWatch program and to aid you in filing a claim using the ShockWatch label should a need arise. Posters can be placed in shipping and receiving areas to alert personnel of the ShockWatch program. Lastly, alert tape is available to enhance the visibility of your indicator. Ensuring a defect-free product is already a challenge. Ensuring safe transit to your customer shouldn't have to be. Thank you for your interest in the ShockWatch product line. For additional questions, contact ShockWatch 1-800-527-9497 or 214-630-9625 or log on to www.shockwatch.com.